Today, one of the most dangerous enemies of humans is germs. Germs in the form of viruses and bacteria are present on a lot of surfaces that we are bound to touch throughout our day, like our mobile phones, car keys, a fruit we are going to eat, or maybe a drink that we are going to have from a bottle. These germs enter our body through these various sources and can be very harmful. They can make us really sick. So it is really important that we disinfect these surfaces before we touch them. And although traditional disinfectant methods have been used for centuries, they might not be sufficient in today's dreadful situations. These alarming situations call for a reliable solution with a technical expertise. Introducing Smart Clean by RH, a UV disinfectant and sterilizer. This UV disinfectant uses ultraviolet technology to kill all these germs in a non-harmful and a non-toxic way. It's more like a magic wand that heroes use in movies to kill off their enemies. Well, here is your own personal tool for that, to fight your enemies. The ultraviolet technology kills 99% of germs on a surface in just a matter of seconds. Yes, 99%. This compact, easy to use stick fits in your pocket. Whenever you are about to touch a surface, just use Smart Clean to sterilize it. All you have to do is hold it like this, press the switch here and slowly move it all over the surface of the object. As the UV light comes in contact, it directly destroys the bacteria and viruses on that surface. It can be used to sterilize almost everything and anything except your skin and eyes. And it is super quick. Within 3 seconds, it kills more than 99% of germs on a surface. You can use it on daily products like your comb, toothbrush, other accessories, travel accessories, soft drink cans, Tetra packs, vegetables, fruits, stationery items, packed foods, door handles. This UV Smart Clean stick comes with some super smart features, like a tilt sensor to avoid any accidental light going into your eyes. Keep the auto mode on and the stick will take care of your safety. In case you want to sterilize any vertical surfaces, then turn on the manual mode. Isn't it great? It comes with an inbuilt battery that can be conveniently charged using any USB port and has a long battery life that assures durability in your safety. So bring this super efficient, super affordable RH Smart Clean UV stick in your life today and wage a battle against these germs that want to kill you. A battle that you are bound to win. RH Smart Clean UV stick.